Introduce highlight features or overview summary for CarThree 7-inch portable car stereo with HD dash cam, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto car radio with backup camera, Bluetooth, GPS. HD IPS touchscreen, mirror for all vehicles and trucks. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Get the CarPlay and Android Auto without replacing your car stereo. You can enjoy wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto without having to go through all the trouble of replacing your head unit. A true plug-and-play unit, the car stereo comes with two holders that can be easily stuck to your windshield or dashboard. It supports 12/24 power supply from the cigarette lighter. With CarThree portable radio, you can use CarPlay, Android Auto to get directions, listen to podcasts and more while driving. A push button lets you activate voice commands easily. 1080p dash cam. The Apple CarPlay stereo comes with an A17 front recording camera. HD 1080p and 150 degrees wide viewing angle present a clear and wide view. It can auto start recording, SD card required, and save records. Strong light suppression helps you figure out what happens ahead in high beams. The built-in G sensor senses unusual gravity changes and saves videos automatically as backup information. Quick access to crisp front view. Bluetooth stereo sound quality and clear call. The car stereo uses 4-ohm 3-watt speaker, offers a powerful heavy bass, ultra-clear vocals to ensure clear and truly sound. Also connect external microphone, 3.5mm connector, allowing you to enjoy high-quality conversations and music anytime, anywhere. Car stereo with HD IPS touchscreen. The car DVR with HD IPS screen, with 1600x600 resolution and 178 degrees full viewing angle, improve the viewing experience and enjoy larger visual effect. And important tips such as navigation prompts could be viewed clearer than the traditional display screen. Android, iOS mirror link. Android, iOS mirroring function is supported. You can connect your phone to the car stereo system via the original data cable to easily connect and sync the content, video, GPS and more. You can also mirror movies for kids to watch while we take longer trips. Easy to installation. This CarPlay radio can use suction lock fixes securely to your dashboard or fixed on the windshield with strong suction cup, then adjust the height and length according to personal visual habits. The base supports 360-degree rotation, plug and play, so you can save a lot of installation costs. Compatible with all models. CarThree 7-inch car audio powered by cigarette lighter, 12 to 24 volt voltage, suitable for almost all kinds of years of the cars and trucks. Note, Volkswagen needs to install an extra relay to install the rear-view camera. Camera is included in the package. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.